In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a System.io community. To get started, you first need to log in to your System.io account. This step is important because the community tools are available inside your dashboard. Take a moment to enter your credentials and sign in. Once you are logged in, you should land on the main dashboard where you can access all the areas of your System.io workspace. Now that you are inside your account, you will navigate to the Communities section. Look for the main menu area and then choose Product, and within that, select Communities. This is where System.io groups the tools for building and managing community spaces. When you click into Communities, you should see options related to creating and managing your existing communities. Next, you will click the Create button. This is the action that begins the setup process for a brand new community. If you already have communities, they will appear in this area as well. But for this step, you want to focus on starting fresh with a new one. After you click Create, the setup form should appear, and you will be ready to define the basic identity of your community. After the creation screen loads, you will need to enter a name and a URL path for your community. The name is what people will recognize and search for, so choose something clear and aligned with what your community is about. The URL path is the part of the web address that is typically used in your community link. Make sure it is short and easy to remember, because it will show up in the address people might use to find your community again. When you have entered the name and URL path, click Save. Saving is the step that creates the community draft in your system. After that, System.io IO will take you into the community settings area where you can fine-tune how it looks and how it behaves. At this point, you will customize the look and settings by clicking on the community name. This step matters because it opens the specific configuration options for the community you just created. You will likely see a variety of settings related to appearance, structure, and community behavior. Take a moment to review what you see on screen and make sure you are editing the correct community, not a different one. Once you are in the community customization area, you can add topics or discussions to organize your content. This is one of the most useful parts of building a community, because topics help members find relevant conversations quickly. As you add topics or discussions, think about how you want members to navigate and what they will be looking for when they join. Clear organization improves engagement and makes the community feel purposeful. After you have set up the content structure, you can configure access levels or membership pricing if you want to gate the community. This step is optional, but it is valuable if you want only certain people to join or if you want to charge for membership. Review the access options available in the settings so you can choose the membership model that fits your goals. If you decide to gate the community, do not rush here because the choices you make will control who can view and participate. When everything looks good and your settings match what you want, you will click Activate to publish your community. Activating is what changes the community from a setup state into a live, accessible community. After you click Activate, give it a moment to apply the changes and finalize the publication. And that covers everything you need to know. You have logged in, created your community, set the name and URL path, saved it, customized the settings, organized it with topics or discussions, configured access or pricing if you want, and then activated it so real members can join.